Alright, so this Ford is pretty nice for a Ford. I mean, Fords get a lot of hate, but this one can't really beat one of those OBS, older body style Fords like this. Pretty sick. This truck right here, that's probably the best paint I've ever seen on a truck or car. That, well done. These electric cars, I don't care how much power it has, it's just, I can't deal with something I can't hear. Shout out Whistling Diesel for the great content. And these Ford 5.0s paired with a Whipple blower, that's probably 800 horsepower.
Jiggle, jiggle. It's fucking gone.
Yeah, I mean, if a truck has a bed that you can see through it, don't mess with them. Here's another one of those Shelby, I think, Super Snake trucks, or I think that's what these are. Pretty nasty. Yeah, Super Snake. They're probably like 700 and some horsepower. If I had a truck, I'd probably do something like this. I probably wouldn't, but these trucks look good. Let's be real. So clean. You don't see these much. SR10, I almost said Jeep, trucks, Viper trucks. Kind of rare species right here. Would not want this vehicle sitting outside though, that's for sure. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. This thing's pretty sick. I'm not a fan of trucks with wheel lights that you can see. It looks like you're getting interrogated by a cop asking for a drink and driving with that bright light in your face. I just not a fan of that. The truck looks good though. I've just done something different with the wheel lights, so that's just me. I probably wouldn't have done spike lug nuts either. And it's lifted single cab. I don't really like lifted single cabs. Granted, this is his truck. He does what he likes, but my POV, trucks that are 4 doors should be lifted, 2 doors should be lowered. But again, it's all opinion based.
That's the I'm gonna fuck up your paint and put a dent in your truck rock.
Yeah, I mean, that would do it. This thing right here, this S10 is on steroids. Wait for it. Yeah, that thing is nasty. I don't know, it might be an old C10. It looked like a S10 though. The color on this truck is perfection. Love these sunroofs. Sunroofs on anything. Like my car has a sunroof. It popped up, looks great. This is probably my favorite truck of this video though. 6.7, probably a Platy. Nasty. I do like the wheels, but I'd just rather have the Ford. And that's saying a lot. A Ford. They do look good though. See, here is a 4-door lowered. See, 4 doors can get away with being lowered, in my opinion. Here's a 2-door lifted. This one gets away. Kind of being a hypocrite here. But, I mean, if they're done well, they look good. That's the key, done well.
If your engine don't look like that, you better lower your fucking voice talking to me.
I get along with that message. I bet this is Dad's truck. Or Bank's truck. It's definitely not his truck. see what this truck's rocking with. He's got go fast wheels in the front, go fast stance, go fast fatties in the back, suspension, diff. I mean, this dude's building one nasty truck.